Karine with 24-Hour Bookkeeper. Do you feel like you're still putting receipts in a shoebox? And you might still not be sure how to access old statements? I know that receipts are a pain, but let me give you a couple tips on how to get organized. The first step would be to find an online platform to use to store all these documents, like Dropbox, Google Drive, or even HubDoc. When it comes to organizing your bank or your credit card statements, it's quite easy when it comes to how you should name them. You're gonna create folders named by vendor, for example, for your vendor invoices and receipts, so they're easily referenced. Plus, if you're thinking about how you scan documents, you can actually attach those to your transactions in QuickBooks Online if you want to reference them, or even put them to your project management software. You will no longer have to keep paper receipts into those file cabinets if you consider using the online platforms. When it comes to getting organized in these documents on these online platforms, you can even go deeper. So something that I would encourage you to do is maybe for online statements, you want to create folders by bank or by credit card. And then you could even go as deep as creating it by year and then by month. What happens sometimes is when we want our online statements, we can only retrieve them for the last 6 months. So if you're every single month pretty good about saving those documents, then you can easily access them at any time. When it comes to bringing your books up to date, you're going to need those receipts and you're going to need those online statements. So if you get organized and you can easily access that information, it's going to make getting those books cleaned up a breeze. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tips and information like this.